It can be difficult to see trend data within your spreadsheet, but here within Google Sheets we can use SPARKLINE function. So simply type in is equal SPARKLINE. Now select the cells that you want to view. Type enter. We have got a great dynamic line that we can view at any time to see what's going on. And if we add just a little more detail, we can get so much more. So here I am going to add both chart type and column. Now I have got a visual bar graph below my data. Best of all, these lines will remain in sync. If I change my data, my graph change as well.